Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Android quiz games. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You need to watch this full video without skipping any part. You do not need to worry about any kind of coding knowledge, no need any kind of skills and experience. After making game, you can monetize this game with Admob. You can make this kind of quiz games for images game, guess the picture game, guess the hidden picture game, find words, chat story. Let me show you how you can make quiz games. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. Now you can click on register now button. You can type here your full name, you can type here your email address password, and then you can click on register button. You can also continue with Google. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see I have made mind growing multi-quiz game, and here you can see engagements. You can click on create new game button. Now you can select type of the game. You can select guess the picture game. For pick one word game, I'm going to create tiles game. Click on use this template button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your language. You can select any of this language. Now click on OK button. Now you can upload your image. You can upload image in bulk. Guys, you can download images from Pixel's platform. You can download fruits image, celebrities image, actress, leaders, actor, tree, animal. You can download any kind of images. For example, you can type your mango. Here you can see there are a lot of images of mango. You can download any of these images. You can click here. Now you can select your size. You can click on this button. Guys, I have already downloaded lots of images. You can upload more than 50 images to create more than 50 labels. Now you can type your question. You can type your guess the image. Now you can type your answer. You can type your question and answer. Now you can click here. You can select your app icon. You can select any of this app icon. Now click on settings. You can type your game name. Now you can select your letters. You can select 18 letters. If you want to monetize your game, then you can click on monetization button. You can monetize your game with Admob. You can monetize your game with Facebook ads. You can monetize your game with Ad Colony. For example, if you want to monetize your game with Admob, then you can enable this option. Now you can type your Admob app ID. You can type your banner ad unit ID. You can type your interstitial ad unit ID. You can type your rewarded ad unit ID. You can type your native ad unit ID. Now you need to click on settings button. You will have to type your publisher ID. After pasting publisher ID, you can click on monetization button. Now you can click on connect now button. You can connect your Admob account with 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. Guys, I will have to create here at least 20 labels. I'm going to create here 20 labels. You can create at least 20 labels. After creating game, you can click on generate game button. Guys, it will take 15 minutes. You need to wait 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you can check your email. Here you can see I have got email from 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. Here you can see my game is ready. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. You can click here to download this game in AAB format. You can click here to download this game in APK format. You can click here to download media package like screenshots, featured graphics, and game icon. You can also generate game description. After making game, you can publish it on app stores. You can click here to download this game. Here you can see my game is downloading in APK format. After downloading this game, you can install it in your Android device. You can run this game in your Android device. So friends, use 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform to create Android quiz games. This platform is available worldwide, so no matter what country country you are in. You can use this platform from anywhere in the world. Here you can see this platform has got almost 5-star ratings. You can use this platform to create and write quiz games. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.